Hair glue can be a nightmare when it gets on your clothes, but don't worry, we've got you covered with these simple solutions to remove it. You can mix equal parts warm water and white vinegar. Soak a toothbrush in the mixture, then use it to brush any spots that got hair glue on them. The vinegar mixture combined with the pressure of the toothbrush's bristles will help to dissolve and scrape off the glue. When it's all flaked off, wash your clothes in the washing machine on a warm cycle to remove the vinegar solution and any leftover glue stains. Another option is to use rubbing alcohol. Be sure to patch test the garment to ensure it can handle the treatment without discoloration. Soak a cotton ball in rubbing alcohol or acetone and press it on the glue for 1 minute. Afterwards, saturate the cotton ball again, and this time use it to dab and blot around the glue to further loosen it from the clothing. Once the glue feels softened enough to come off, carefully scrape it off by using a blunt butter knife or spoon. You can also freeze the glue by pressing on it with bagged ice or popping your shirt in the freezer and peel the glue off once it hardens. Use a stain remover before washing and air drying your clothes to get rid of any residual glue stains.